Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Birthday talaga, no? Happy birthday to you, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. Let's let us find out. Okay, let's check it out. Happy birthday to Mr. Doug Kramer of the PBA, Philippine basketball player. July 10, 1983. Ayan, okay. And si Idol, si Idol George Estregan. Kilala niyo ba si Idol George Estregan? Ako, napakagaling na actor niyan. Siya yung dahilan ba't nauso yung t-shirt na di ba may nakikita kayong t-shirt na nakalagay, kumakain ako ng pepperoni. Saka yung t-shirt na na ang nakasulat, basta mabango, kainin mo. George Estregan yun. Napakagaling na actor. Oh. May mga tropa ko, paborito yung genre of films na ginawa nito, George Estregan. July 10, 1928, okay? And OPM singer Marco Sison. In every step you make, in every road you take, don't be afraid to follow your dreams. Yan, si Marco Sison yan, siyempre. For my love will see you through. Sumablay sa dulo, through. Marco Sison was born July 10, 1957, huh? Okay, and who else do we gotta greet? Happy birthday pa. Ito sa mga sumusunod in Hollywood. In Hollywood. Happy birthday to Sofia Vergara. Uy, my ex-girlfriend. Sofia Vergara turns 53 today. Okay, pati na rin si happy birthday din kay TV actress Isabella Merced. She turns 24 today. Kilala niyo siya? Hindi ko kilala But anyways, si Perry Edwards turns 32 today. Kilala niyo si Perry Edwards? Alam niyo yung kinanta ni Perry Edwards, di ba? Kasama siya sa Little Mix. Yan. Okay. And she helped Little Mix become the first all-girl band to win the X Factor. Yun, nanalo sila sa X Factor muna and then they became the Little Mix that we know today. All right? Maganda yung song sila, Yeah. And si Perry Edwards was born July 10, 1993. Okay, so happy birthday to you. And of course, ito nga si Nikola Tesla, as I was saying, July 10, 1856. He passed away in 1943. World War II, yun, Okay. Next up, we have happy birthday also to Jessica Simpson. Do you guys know Jessica Simpson? Yeah, she turns 45 today. Pop icon to nung mga 90s, early 2000s. Yeah, okay. Movie actor Wyatt Russell turns 39 today. And Will Smith, the baseball player. Hindi si Will Smith na actor There's a popular baseball player in the US of A na ang pangalan din ay Will Smith. So there you have it, celebrities and the likes celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them, all of you, July 10 birthday celebrants. So happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. So your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating their birthdays today, huh? Okay, a couple of my friends celebrating their birthdays din today. So I gotta greet them. All right. Si Cool Masters. Ayan, si Cool Masters. Happy 3rd birthday. Ayan, okay. And my good friend, si Ate Socorro Rombana de los Reyes. We go way back, ha? Oh, classmate ko to, hindi lang high school, elementary grade pa yata, elementary. Yeah. Hindi kami naging classmates nung yeah. Nung high school, pero we still went to the same school, okay? So there you go, July 10, birthday celebrants. And yung mga nag-birthday naman kahapon, si Kuya Julio Horam Parido. Yan, Kuya Julio, happy birthday ha, kahapon to. So, pasensya na, hindi kita nabati kahapon. Hindi kasi ako nang gigreet eh. Hindi ako nang babati pala, nang gigreet. Si Kuya Ian Ledina, happy birthday to you also. Ayan, okay? Happy birthday to you. Who else do we gotta greet? Baka may nakalimutan pa tayo, ha? Baka magtampo, no? Mga July 9 birthday celebrants, yung mga kahapon. Si Kuya Daniel Lombard Gaetano. Okay, eto rin, we go way back. We were, batchmates in high school. We came from the same school, okay? And magka-batch kami. So, there you have it. Celebrities and the likes, pati na rin yung mga kaibigan natin na nagba-birthday ngayon. Happy birthday to you. And the famous birthday segment was brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Check out new and better prices on what you buy the most. Sabi nila, yung mga dati nyo nang binibili. Yung mga basic needs yan eh. Alam mo na, bigas, pagkain, kape, asukal, gulay. Ayan. New and better prices and more savings on Everyday Joy Spa. Okay? So you guys look up the Facebook page kasi ang daming offers doon na mabababa lang yung price, mga markdown prices ng mga iba't ibang items. You guys will know it better if you visit the official Facebook page. Look it up, Royal Duty Free Shops on Facebook, 252-3258 for inquiries. And ongoing pa rin still, of course, US Bestsellers promo. All right? Every product is sure to help you enjoy the day no matter what the time. Okay? Turn your pantry into party with Royal's US Bestsellers, mga sikat na brand in the US of A. Yeah. Once again, call them up 252-3258 or visit the official Facebook page, royalsubic.com, www.royalsubic.com. Okay, so we will take the quick bottom of the hour break and we will be back with more. Also, your requested songs, you start requesting now, okay? And we will be right back.